Explore Instagram analytics metrics for optimal growth. Understanding the metrics on Instagram is more crucial than ever. These metrics offer valuable insights into your audience demographics, content performance, and engagement levels. They empower you to make informed decisions that drive growth and success. What are the metrics on Instagram? Instagram metrics serve as the guiding stars illuminating the path to social media success. They encompass a diverse range of quantitative data that provide insights into various aspects of your account's performance. By tracking valuable metrics such as reach and impressions, you measure the visibility of your posts and assess their impact on your target audience. Engagement metrics, including likes, comments, and shares, give you valuable feedback on the quality and relevance of your content. Why should you track your Instagram metrics? Tracking metrics on Instagram should be a top priority for several reasons. First, it helps identify your preferred content. By monitoring likes, comments, and shares, you can pinpoint which content generates the most engagement and tailor your future posts accordingly. Second, tracking ensures alignment with company objectives. Whether it's about increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or boosting sales, you can measure the impact of your Instagram strategy. Finally, you can measure campaign success by monitoring metrics in real time, allowing for data-driven decisions. How to check metrics for Instagram? There are various tools and methods to check your Instagram metrics. Instagram Insights offers built-in analytics for business accounts, providing valuable interpretations of your performance over time. Additionally, third-party analytics tools like Hootsuite and Sprout Social offer advanced features like competitor analysis. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, manual tracking with Excel spreadsheets can provide high customization and control over your data. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.